Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use 1xbet promo code in Argentina. This is really easy, but before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 1xbet account, and to do so, you simply click on registration. Next, you click on buy email, and here you're going to fill all your personal information. Now at the section of promo code, you enter the promo code UTV, and by using this promo code, you get a bonus of 300%. So if you top up your account with $100, you get $300. Now you are going to click on the menu icon at the bottom right, and remember the promo code mentioned earlier that will give you too much advantage. So to benefit of it, you are simply going to click on the casino section here once in your menu icon. Now you are going to click on the promo section, and next you are going to find out this section of promo code where there is the option of check and activate. You are going to click on check and activate, then you are going to enter the promo code mentioned earlier, and then you are going to click on activate. Once you have done that, you are going to benefit of all its advantage even if you are in Argentina, because this promo code works anywhere globally.